I was really thankful when Vacbird sent me out a set of their vacuum storage bags with the pump included. These are great for travel. So let's take a look and see if these would meet your needs, just like they are going to hopefully meet mine. A rechargeable pump, and this you can take with you, so when you're traveling you can also slim things down. It also comes with a USB-C cable, which most everybody already has, and you just recharge it here, and this is how you're going to turn it on. So we'll get to that. And then it comes with the bags. Let's get these out and take a look. All right, I unpacked the first one, which was 2G, which is 2 medium, 2 large, and 2 extended, which I'm guessing is extra large. This one this is 3G. It's 3 medium, 3 large, and 3 extended. Let's start with the one I unpacked. So this is the medium. These are good size. So we'll start with this and see what we can fit in here, but I'll show you the other 2 sizes. This is the large. Again, good sized. And then these are the extra large, or the extended, compared to the medium. So here's the size difference. So let's see what we can put in a medium. Sweatshirt, 2 t-shirts are in here. Now to seal this, it comes with these little like zipper things that you just stick on here and go across. So that seals it. So that's nice and tight. Now we're going to open this up and use the little pump. Where did I put it? So that definitely did compress down my sweatshirt and the 2 t-shirts. Will definitely be smaller to pack that in a bag. This is going to be good for sweaters and stuff. So let's try out some sweaters for a pack. Now this is quite beefy. This is the before. So let's check the after. Yeah, that definitely made a difference. It's going to make it easier to pack. So your sweaters and stuff. And then when you get to your destination, just open it up. And they are back to full fluff. So, no harm done. And then you can just take this with you and re-vacuum them when you get to your destination to come home. Also a great way to separate your dirty clothes if you don't want to smell up your stinky suitcase. All right, hope that helps.